Hello students, welcome to HAEC e-classes. If you are new to the channel, subscribe it so that you can be updated about the syllabus. In this session, we are going to learn about networking. Networking. In the recent few years, computer has emerged as a major source of communication which has increased the utility of this device to many times. All this has happened due to the connectivity of two or more computing devices through some communicative channel, enabling them to share their information and resources with each other very quickly. In our day-to-day life, we make use of various type of networks like railway network, the cable TV, telephone network, postal network, etc. Let's get started. Networking. A network connects two or more computers so that they can share information, applications, or resources. Networking. Networks are simply a collection of resources connected by cable or other media so they can share information. Networks made sharing data much easier and more efficient for users. Network. To connect two or more computers together with the ability to communicate with each other. These days, you can form a network at home too. Every member in a family has a laptop or a smartphone or some other devices which can be connected using a Wi-Fi to form a network. Example of share resources. First one is printer, second one is fax devices, third one is file and folder, and fourth one is modem. Example of services: email, database, internet access. Now, disadvantages of a computer network: high cost of installation, requires timing for administration, failures of server, cable faults, hacking, security issue. There are many more disadvantages of computer network. There is a danger of hacking and safety measures like firewall are needed to prevent it. Security issue: since there are many users sharing the same resources, it is important to keep the data secure. Now, advantages of a computer network: increase speed, reduce cost, improve security, centralized software management, electronic mail, flexible access, enable all type of file, text, audio, video sharing across the network, help in communication, efficient storage of data, backup is very easy as all data is stored on the file server. On the basis of size, the types of the network are: first one is PAN, Personal Area Network. A personal area network is a computer network organized around an individual person. It generally consists of a mobile, a computer, a cell phone, or personal digital assistant. PAN enables the communication among these devices. It can also be used for communication among personal devices themselves for connecting to a digital level network and internet. The PAN can be constructed using wireless or cable. LAN. LAN is a computer network widely used for local communication. LAN connects computer in a small area like a room, building, office or a campus spread up to a few kilometers. They are privately owned networks to exchange information. Star, bus, and rings are some of the common LAN networking topologies. LAN runs at a speed of 10 megabytes per second to 100 megabytes per second and has low delays. A LAN based on Wi-Fi wireless network technology is called Wireless Local Area Network. Metropolitan Area Network MAN. A metropolitan area network consists of a computer network which covers an entire city. MAN is a computer network spread over a city. The computers in a MAN are connected using cables. MAN connects several LAN spread over a city. It covers the distance up to 30 to 50 km. For example, cable television network. The city cable network is a very good example of MAN. Now, campus area network CAN. The campus area network is made up of an interconnection of LAN with limited geographical area. Network equipment such as switches, routers, and the transmission media, that is optical fiber, etc., are almost entirely owned by the campus owner. Now, wide area network WAN. A wide area network occupies a very large area such as an entire country or the entire world. WAN is a network that connects computer over long distance like cities, countries, continents or worldwide. WAN uses public, leased or private communication link to spread over long distance. WAN uses telephone lines, satellite links, radio links to connect. The need to be able to connect any network of computers at any numbers of sites result in WAN technology to be different from the LAN technology. It is slower and less reliable than a LAN. Internet is a common example of WAN. Thank you for watching this video.